software serves as an efficient tool for individuals and professionals who frequently handle compressed files in their work or daily tasks. The core feature of the Unarchiver Pro is its ability to support an extensive range of archive formats, including ZIP, RAR, 7Z, tar, and many others. Unlike many alternatives, it also excels at extracting files with uncommon formats, making it a reliable choice for users dealing with rare or obscure archive types. The software is optimized for speed and precision, ensuring quick decompression while maintaining the integrity of the extracted files. One of the standout qualities of the Unarchiver Pro is its intuitive user interface. Rich has designed the software to be accessible to all users, regardless of their technical expertise. With drag-and-drop functionality and clear navigation, extracting and managing files becomes a hassle-free experience. Additionally, the software offers features like batch extraction, password-protected file handling, and automatic detection of character encoding, which are invaluable for users handling complex tasks. Rich, the developer, has ensured that the Unarchiver Pro remains lightweight yet powerful, avoiding unnecessary system strain. The software is regularly updated to enhance its features and maintain compatibility with emerging archive formats, reflecting Rich's commitment to delivering a high-quality and reliable product. Whether you're an everyday user or a professional managing extensive archives, the Unarchiver Pro is a dependable solution for your file extraction needs.